googly eyes over there. Just an update. I saw that coming. I'm keeping that in. I'm definitely keeping that in. I got the winch finished yesterday or 2 days ago. Tested it out today. Works great. I tied a rope to a tree and put the winch cable to the rope and pulled my Delsol from one side to the other. So it does work. It's great, actually. I'm not happy with where I put the fair lead. I'm going to bring that forward more so it's exposed out of the grill and bumper. But in the meantime, it's okay where it sits. I'm sanding soon. I'm just waiting maybe a couple more minutes waiting for this NC combo filler to dry. This stuff is great. It takes only about like half an hour to fully cure, and it doesn't require hardener. You don't need to sit there and mix 1 part hardener to 3 parts Bondo or any of that silliness. It's just squeeze and go. Squeeze and apply and wait for it to dry and you're good to sand. It's a great product. If you guys are going to be doing any body work, it's great on metal, plastic, pretty much anything you can really. If you need to smooth out any surface, this is good to go with. It doesn't crack like typical Bondo and other body fillers, so that's nice. And it also doesn't retain water. So if you do some body work and you end up running out of primer, and you still have some pieces that are not primed, it's okay. You don't have to worry about it. It's not going to retain that water. So you don't have to worry about it absorbing that if it's out in the rain or while you try to finish other projects or while you're waiting for other pieces to get into the paint booth. So yeah, I'm doing the bumper tonight. I'm also going to try to do the garnish, the rear plate garnish. It's already probably ready to go. I just need to spend some time taking the stickers off it. But there's not much on that, so it's probably going to be sanding and maybe one little rust spot, which shouldn't be too bad. And then the sail panels. I do have a little chip in my sail panel, but that's mostly just plastic and some sanding. So I'd like to get all that primed tonight. I did actually record about 2 hours worth of me working on the bumper. Unfortunately, my Mac decided not to save it. I don't know where my GoPro went to. I've looked for it. I can't find it. It's been weeks since I've last seen it. So I know I've been falling behind on some videos, but I've been falling behind on some work. So you guys haven't missed much. Delsol is gonna hopefully be at a meet this weekend. Not fully completed, not with the spoiler and everything, but definitely painted. If not, I'm gonna go hang myself. That's a joke. That's a joke. Just a joke. I've literally just sat on my screen for a minute. I've lost my train of thought. Give me a second.
A few moments later.
Oh, my Delsol door panel. It's up there. I know you guys can't see it, but it's up on the fridge. I'm going to try to fix that this weekend, I hope, before that meet. Yeah. So I'm going to get back to work, and you guys can watch if you want. I'm just going to reload this a bit.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind mind work backwards just for a minute. I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. Oh, 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 oh,
So I cut the time lapse short because, y'all know how to sand, I assume. The Delsol garnish and bumper are both sanded, primed, and ready for paint. I was going to paint, but it's now, as I'm recording, 4:30 in the morning. So I'm not going to turn on my air compressor. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to piss off my neighbors or my parents. So I'll probably just paint tomorrow. But with that being said, I did get a lot done. I did get more than I thought I would have done today, actually. I thought I was going to get screwed, to be honest, like the rest of my plans with this car. Every time I try to start working on something, it gets interrupted and this gets pushed aside. But that's life, right? So, if you guys want to see this to completion, hit subscribe and also follow my Instagram. It's just like my YouTube. It's at Googly Eyes the Delsol, and I post on there quite often, almost daily. And that's so. Yeah, guys, keep dreaming. That's stupid. Keep dreaming. I gotta think of something better than that. Well, you know what, guys? Good night. I gotta go to bed.